Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free coins on NetBoom in 2026. So as you can see at the moment, we got 12,530 coins. But today we have this button right here, which you press and you can actually add 999,999 coins. So I'm going to press unlock and it's going to start adding the coins. So let's just give it a minute for this to load. And then I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, it says like committing entitlement and all this stuff, so you just gotta wait. And oh, look at that, the coins are already going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this NetBoom mod so you can get free coins right now. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is go on the settings app and make sure the background app refresh is turned on. So after you do that, guys, I want you to go over to battery and make sure that you have low power mode turned off. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is go into the browser, and we're just going to go onto a specific website, which is the matrixmods.com. So let me just type this in. This is the website, guys. It's super cool. So let me just show you guys right here. Alright, so on this site is all these like apps and games. It's pretty cool, but I'm going to go on the search bar and I'm going to type in NetBoom. And as you can see, guys, there it is. So go ahead and press on it and you can read about it and everything, but just go ahead and press download and it's going to start downloading it. So before this downloads, it's going to be a verification you have to do. So this is 100% free and it's also from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So it's just going to say missing files, additional files are required. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps, which are all free. So we got TikTok, which says download, run for 30 seconds. We got Travel Town, which says download and reach level 9. So just press continue. Takes me to the app store and I just have to play it until I reach level 9. So that's pretty easy. It's just like a game. So I could just go ahead and do that. As you can see, this is just one of them. But yeah, it's super cool, guys, so be sure to try it out. I'll see you guys later, but that's how to get it for your device. So definitely go ahead and get the word out. So yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps. You can see right here, it says complete 2 quick offers. This will verify access and fund the Matrix project. So that's how to get free coins on NetBoom, guys. Also, you can watch the video here. But as long as you got like the background refresh on and everything, you should be good to go. So let me just type it in and I'll show you guys the nightmare. So here we are, and then in the in-app purchases, you can see how much it costs. So it's really expensive. So if you guys don't want to pay for this, definitely go ahead and try it out because this is super cool. So you just have to download 2 of the apps. You can see it says complete 2 offers, verifies access. So it's pretty simple, guys. But that's how to get free NetBoom coins in 2026. So peace out, my crew, because I know y'all be looking for this stuff all day long. So yeah, this is updated and no jailbreak is needed or anything. So that's great. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, bro, if you like this stuff, because it actually works, you know. So yeah, I mean, I've tried some other methods, but this is the only real way to get free NetBoom coins right now. So crazy, guys. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to get the free NetBoom coins. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, tell your friends and peace out.